Hi, this is Raphael with an update on our May 11 to 14 chess sets giveaway. It finishes today, and I wanted to give you an update and show you the chess sets up close that will be part of this contest. If you've entered already, thank you so much for that, and please go ahead and share it. Use the links on this page to share with your friends, and those points increase your chances of being selected randomly as part of the giveaway contest. So let's take a closer look at the chessboard. Yeah, when you pair this board with an attractive set of pieces, you really have quite a remarkable set for play at your home or wherever you would like to have a chessboard like this. I appreciate all the comments that have been shared by so many of you so far, and appreciate that enthusiasm, and I can see that you would love to win this board, and I hope there's 3 of them available, so obviously not everyone is going to receive one, but there will be 3 winners, and that is very exciting. I'm very proud to offer this new chessboard, and of course here is a chess set that's going to be sent out in the next few days to 3 of you. I've paired this chess set here with the Scout Shisham wood pieces. Here we have Shisham, here we have boxwood. And that is remarkably close to the color of walnut here with the maple, but the walnut fits the dark color pieces very nicely. It doesn't contrast very well, but really once you have it in front of you, it is still impressive, and I do like the complementary colors. Sometimes I like a more contrasting set on the dark side, but here I like the complementary colors. Once again, if you would put this set away, let's take another look at how that would work and how this hinge design looks. It's easy to forget that this board does have a hinge in the middle, but that's why we're demonstrating this here. It's very smooth, just solid smooth. So if you're looking for an extraordinary design, these are made very limited quantities, but we are able to offer them to our customers starting May 2018, and I'm excited to launch this. And thank you for your interest in it and excitement about this contest. Thank you for sharing it with your friends, and I look forward to sending 3 of these to you and looking at who has won them.